Welcome to our guide on how to fix Messenger not responding on your PC. If you're experiencing this frustrating issue, we have some effective solutions for you. First, try restarting your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing Messenger to not respond. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection and consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to troubleshoot any connectivity issues. It's also important to check for device updates. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with apps like Messenger. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes these services can interfere with the app's functionality and cause it to not respond. If none of these steps work, don't hesitate to contact Messenger support. Their official support channels can provide you with further assistance and guidance tailored to your specific issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix Messenger not responding on your PC. Don't let technical glitches disrupt your messaging experience. Get back to seamless communication with these solutions.